What are the origins of cayenne pepper? Cayenne pepper was first discovered in the Caribbean, specifically in the Caribbean islands of Martinique and Haiti. The pepper was likely discovered and brought to the Caribbean by Christopher Columbus during his second voyage in 1493. By the way, something that is much less spicy than cayenne pepper is subscribing to our channel. If you enjoy content about how to maximize your health naturally, please consider liking and subscribing to this video so that healthy living can go viral. We would appreciate it. From the Caribbean, cayenne pepper quickly spread throughout the world, finding its way to Europe where it was widely used in cooking. By the early 1700s, cayenne pepper had become so popular that it was being used as a form of currency in some parts of Europe. Over time, cayenne pepper made its way to North America, where it quickly became a popular culinary ingredient. It was widely used by Native Americans and was a key ingredient in many dishes, including chili con carne. What are the benefits of cayenne pepper? First and foremost, cayenne pepper has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It has been used to help treat a wide range of ailments, including stomach problems, colds and flu, headaches, arthritis, and even cancer. In addition, it is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, making it great for treating many conditions. The spice is also believed to be a great way to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. It can help to improve cardiovascular health, and it may even be beneficial in reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Furthermore, cayenne pepper can help to reduce cholesterol levels, which can lead to a healthier heart. It can also be used in the kitchen. It is often used to add flavor to dishes, and it can be used to spice up traditional dishes. It is also a great way to add some kick to a meal, and it can even be used as a natural preservative. Finally, cayenne pepper is known to be a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is believed to be a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and magnesium. In addition, it is believed to be a great source of fiber, and it is believed to help the digestive system work better. Are there any effects of cayenne pepper? The active ingredient in cayenne pepper is capsaicin, which is responsible for the pepper's hot and spicy flavor. Capsaicin is a potent compound that has many potential health benefits. It has been linked to improved digestion, increased metabolism, improved circulation, and pain relief. While there are many benefits to consuming cayenne pepper, there are also potential side effects. Some of the most common side effects include an upset stomach, heartburn, and stomach pain. High doses of cayenne pepper can also cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Additionally, people with sensitive skin may experience skin irritation from direct contact with cayenne pepper. There is also evidence that cayenne pepper may interact with certain medications or supplements. If you are taking any medications or supplements, be sure to talk to your doctor before adding cayenne pepper to your diet. 5 ways to use cayenne pepper to heal yourself from sickness. Cayenne pepper has been used for centuries to treat a variety of medical conditions, including colds, flu, and even heart disease. But, did you know cayenne pepper has many healing benefits and can be used to treat a variety of illnesses? Here are 5 ways to use cayenne pepper to heal yourself from sickness. Number 1. Treat a cold or flu. Cayenne pepper has been used for centuries to help treat a cold or flu. To make a cayenne pepper remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of cayenne powder with 1 cup of warm water. Drink this mixture every hour or 2 until the symptoms of your cold or flu improve. You may also add honey for additional flavor and sweetness. Number 2. Stimulate blood circulation. Cayenne pepper helps to stimulate blood circulation, which can help to reduce pain and inflammation. To use cayenne pepper to stimulate blood circulation, mix 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder with 1 cup of warm water. Drink this mixture twice a day until the symptoms of your illness improve. Number 3. Reduce pain and inflammation. Cayenne pepper is known to reduce pain and inflammation. To reduce pain and inflammation, mix 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder with 1 cup of warm water. Massage the mixture gently over the affected area for several minutes. You may also use cayenne pepper topically by mixing it with a carrier oil and applying it directly to the area of pain. Number 4. Strengthen immunity. Cayenne pepper can help to strengthen your immune system. To strengthen your immune system, mix 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder with 1 cup of warm water. Drink this mixture twice a day until the symptoms of your illness improve. Number 5. Reduce coughing. Cayenne pepper has been known to help reduce coughing. To reduce coughing, mix 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder with 1 cup of warm water. Drink this mixture 3 times a day until the symptoms improve. 5 meals that are way better with cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a spice that adds heat and flavor to any dish. It can be used to add a burst of flavor to soups, stews, and sauces. But did you know that it can also be used to turn ordinary meals into extraordinary feasts? Here are 5 of our favorite meals that are way better with cayenne pepper. Number 1. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a classic comfort food, and it's even better with a few dashes of cayenne pepper. The spice will add a little bit of heat and a unique flavor that will take your soup to the next level. Number 2. Stir fries. Stir fries are the perfect way to use up any leftover vegetables in your fridge. Add some cayenne pepper to your stir fry and you'll get a tasty, flavorful meal that's sure to please. Number 3. Chili. Nothing pairs better with chili than a generous sprinkle of cayenne pepper. The heat from the pepper will add a unique flavor to your chili, making it tastier and even more comforting. Number 4. Fried rice. Fried rice is a great dinner option, but it can be a bit bland. Sprinkle some cayenne pepper on top and you'll get a delicious, flavorful version of fried rice. Number 5. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is always a hit, but you can make it even better with some cayenne pepper. The spice will give your mac and cheese a unique flavor that will make it a family favorite. Throughout the years, there have been some incredibly strange things people have done with cayenne pepper that you would never have expected. 5 strange uses of cayenne pepper. People have strange uses for just about everything in their house, including cayenne pepper. Let's take a look at some of the most peculiar uses for cayenne pepper. 1. Cleaning greasy pans. This might sound odd, but cayenne pepper can actually be used to clean greasy pans. All you have to do is sprinkle some cayenne pepper onto a damp sponge and use it to scrub the pan. The hot pepper will help break up the grease, leaving your pan squeaky clean. 2. Insect repellent. Believe it or not, cayenne pepper can be used as a natural insect repellent. Simply sprinkle some cayenne pepper around the perimeter of your yard or garden and the bugs will stay away. The peppery smell of the cayenne pepper will deter most insects from entering your yard. 3. Detox bath. One of the most unusual uses for cayenne pepper is as an ingredient in detox baths. Adding cayenne pepper to your bath water can help draw toxins out of your body and improve circulation. Cayenne pepper has antiseptic and antifungal properties, so it can also help improve skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. 4. Exercise aid. Cayenne pepper can also help to increase your energy levels when you're exercising. Just mix a teaspoon of it with warm water and drink before you start your workout. 5. Beauty care. Cayenne pepper is actually being used as a beauty aid. People mix it with other ingredients to make a face mask that can help to reduce wrinkles and make the skin look healthier. There you have it. Everything you could ever possibly need to know about cayenne pepper. How do you normally use this spicy, red powder? Leave your answer in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so that health can go viral. I hope you enjoy this content. Stay tuned for more videos on how to improve your health. Eat well. Live longitude.